You keeping 2 on the ground at least, or what?
2 on the ground almost always. What a terror this thing is to ride, but it's so fun. Man, no suspension.
Bouncy.
That's what that feels like. Man, I got a new respect for Taylor Kelly riding these things everywhere.
It's like driving a Dodge.
Yeah, we got a Honda 4x4 quad, a sport quad, and a trike. Got all the Hondas out today.
You been reckless or what?
A little bit. I don't wreck my stuff. I wreck your stuff while I'm wrecking my stuff.
That's good. Yeah, I need some more broken stuff.
It's up a little deeper or what?
Yeah.
That's kind of lame. Look at you all over there, nice and clean.
Feeling good?
You don't look good.
I'm feeling okay.
You look a little hungover.
Wasn't feeling great when we left, but
No?
Lord hates a loser. Doesn't want to go when he said he would, so I went.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's the spirit.
Didn't bail.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. I thought you might.
Yeah, no.
I was like, I don't know if Ben's gonna go today.
This is the only time it's been all 3 Hondas.
All Hondas out here. Got the 200 ATC 400EX and the Foreman 450, which is actually a 500.
Yep.
500.
Take us through here.
You want me to?
No.
Why not?
I seen John in there. It's like this deep.
Is it that deep?
Yeah. His cousin Darren McKinnon drowned his foreman in there.
No way. Let's have a look here. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty deep.
Yeah.
Okay. If I start sinking, just get off and she floats, right?
Hopefully.
Yeah. As long as you know you got to hang on. You remember that part.
Yeah.
And I think the scariest part is lots of times you almost end up going into the bush.
Yeah.
That's
Side.
yeah, because like the whole trail is like side to side and side to side, and then eventually you end up way too far over to one side and you take a corner too hard and
You are good, Mr. Chow. Good to go.
There you go.
I'm having fun.
Yeah. How much shorter are you from your spine being compressed?
Well,
You're 5 feet now.
you get used to there's no suspension, but after you're used to that,
Yeah.
you don't take her up the Ruby Creek Trail or nothing like that.
Oh boy.
Well, West here, this is fun.
This whole riding with Hondas and racks is good, eh? Because
Oh yeah.
Matt's stuck in the hole and I just crash into the back of him and push him right on through.
Why do you think I put my license plate where I did?
Yeah, that's why mine, I've gone through like a million license plates because me and a few buddies all used to have Foremans. And one got stuck, the other started pushing, and the third would come in and the whole train just went pushing on through.
Yeah, I put my license plate down here.
Yep.
So that way, because I knew that was going to happen eventually. I was like, I'm going to get pushed through something eventually here, so let's make sure that license plate is out of the way.
There you go.
Cool, man.
aka the tow truck, flat tire, still pulling people.
Air and tires. Flat tire on the tow truck, still pulling people, still 4x.
Yeah, that's a Foreman for you.
The tow truck.
Got no room for my tow ropes, been picking up people's beer cans.
Deep in there for this little thing, eh?
Mm-hmm. When are you gonna snorkel it?
I don't know where I'd put it, because the problem is the fuel tank's in the way. So it would have to be like, because it comes out here, so it'd have to be like,
Yeah.
it starts going sideways, and then you kind of
Just wiggle your way through it.
Yeah, you go side to side across it, and then when you get stuck, then it comes and pushes you through.
Yep.
There you go, Ben. We made it.
You did it.
Look at that. Didn't crash once.
Amazingly.
You had to push me through a few holes. All right.
Trike adventure #1 success.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna break down. Pretty happy I didn't. All right. Well, I think we're gonna try to do this a little more often.
Just a little couple-hour break.
Yeah, it's fun, man.
Gotta
I'm
take it.
dirty. How come you're so clean?
Well, I don't know. I got those.
Look
nice
at me.
balls there and all that.
Look what happened.
Gotta take advantage of the country we live in. That's right in our backyards.
That's right, Ben. You still sound hungover. Thanks everybody for watching this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see everybody in the next one. Bye, everybody.